Hi, it's Barry. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to unveil my purchase that was inspired by Ashley. I had been looking for a long time for a small planner that would just be able to go with me everywhere and not worry about size or weight. I looked at the Brazza wallet for a long time. It's beautiful, but it seemed kind of bulky, especially because of the zipper inside of it, and pretty pricey at $6.75. I also looked at the Zippy wallet, which has a zipper going all around it, but otherwise is very similar to the Brazza wallet, and that one's $830. And I just didn't love either of those. I, I looked at the pocket organizer, and it was tiny, 2.8 inches by 4.3 inches, $415, and there's nothing that you could really put in there because nothing seems to be made in that size. So I did wind up getting the Pocket Agenda, and I absolutely love it. It's very lightweight and it's small. And I saw that Ashley had it and that it fit these wonderful inserts. So there are three of these inserts that are available. One is a weekly, one is graph. Graph, of course, my favorite because that's what I like for writing. But the weekly, which is undated, and actually really has a lot of weeks in it for something that's very small and compact. And this is, kind of a little bit bigger than Pocket. It's a little taller. And I thought this would be good, for certain time periods. So I picked up both of those. So I picked up the lined one, and it has a gray cover and then just nice small lines inside for writing or journaling or taking notes. And I will use it for taking notes. So this is in the damier graphite pattern, and it matches perfectly with my desk agenda, as you can see. And it also goes really well with my desk agenda that's in the monogram Eclipse. I love the way these things match each other and my pencil case. So all of those things go really well and work with my system. So what I like about this is not that I'm going to be using it for actual planning, but I now have something to take notes that can be with me all the time. It's super lightweight and takes up virtually no room. It will fit in every bag that I have, even small crossbody. So how I'm actually using it is with a cloth and paper matte black clip, and then I have the Zebra G450 pen hooked to that. It serves two purposes. One, I have a pen with me, and a pen that I like using now that I found a 0.5 refill for this, and if you're interested in that, I have a link below. But it also weights down the cover so that the cover is not kind of standing up the way it was when I first received this. But, as you can see, this is very slim. I can put credit cards in here if I like. I don't know that that's the way I'm going to use this, so I just styled it at this point. When you get your initials hot stamped from Louis Vuitton, you have a choice of the foils, and you have a choice whether to have the dots in between. You cannot get a dot afterwards, but you can get a dot in between the initials. And I chose, of course, to get mine in silver, which I love, and which matches the Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, that's down below it. So just to see this in more detail, you do have 3 credit card slots. You have a big pocket here, and you have a big back pocket. So some people like the idea of using this as a wallet. I know that many people like this but could never find an insert that they liked for it other than the one from Louis Vuitton, which for me, at $65 for a dated weekly that I wasn't going to use because I already have my planner that I use for scheduling in my mini HP, I just couldn't see it until I saw Ashley, and she obviously had, one of these inserts in hers. So I'm actually glad that she got it because it gave me the impetus to get it. And I had actually gotten another something similar to this that I thought was a size that was going to work better for me because I thought it was going to fit the CP Petite based on the measurements that were on the website. It has since been discontinued, but when I got it, it was not the same measurements as the ones on the website, so I wound up returning it, and now I have this, which I'm really happy with. So as a recap, what we have here is the Louis Vuitton Pocket Agenda in the Damier Graphite. I have 3 different cloth and paper inserts that fit perfectly in it. I have the Zebra G450 pen with a 0.5 refill that fits in it and is compatible. I have the cloth and paper matte black clip. I have a previous journal card from probably maybe almost a year and a half or 2 years ago, and another one that you've seen, and that's how I had this styled. So of course I have a contest, and this time it is something from Louis Vuitton. Don't get too excited, it's not a planner or a bag, it's something very small, but it is from Louis Vuitton. To enter, it's going to be a little different this time. You've got to find the post that goes with this video over on my Instagram. Leave a comment there. Feel free to tag a friend. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and subscribed here. Contest closes August 25th. Thanks for watching. See you next time around.